what's up YouTube? It's your girl Tara Marie here. Today I'm going to be doing my June BOXYLUXE unboxing, first impressions. This will be my first time opening up this box. So let's go ahead and get started. So in this box, they usually have a theme for every month. And it looks like today's theme, or this month's theme, is Getaway. And this is the nice little presentation card that they have, and I'll keep this so I can tell you how much everything costs regular price so you can decide for yourself if it's worth it or not. So let's get into this box. Oh, what is this? So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Trestique. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Let's see. Oh, it's a mascara. Wow. You see look how big this tube is for a mascara. Let me see, I'm gonna try to open this up really quick. So I finally got the container open, and what it is, it's a mascara and lash curler in one. So you flip this little thing down and push it, and it will curl your eyelashes, which is pretty cool. And then you can put this back on and then untwist it. And this is what the lash wand looks like. I'm curious to see what this is, but it retails for $25. So that is our first thing in the box. The second thing we have here is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Instant Last Volumizing and Texture Hairspray. Not sure if well, I can't really smell it. Let's see, what are the ingredients? Oh, alcohol is the second ingredient, so I will not be using this because of my curly hair. But if you are someone that will use this, what is it, hairspray, it retails for $29. So this is like supposed to be some really good hairspray. So I'll keep it just in case I have a friend that wants it, but it has alcohol in it, and that's a big no-no for curly hair. And then the next thing, I have this really satiny black bag in here. And let's see what's inside. So I open it up, and on the inside, on the inside I have this mini hair dryer, and it's super, I really like it. It feels really nice. It has 2 settings on it. And then it also comes with a little diffuser attachment. So this would take me forever to blow dry my hair, but it's good for something that's traveling. I guess if you're just touching up your curls, this is something that you can use to just quickly give yourself a touch up and a quick diffuse if you need to. And this retails at $85. Wow, okay. I don't know if I would pay $85 for this, but that's how much it retails for. I do really like this little satin bag that it comes in. I feel like I'll probably use it for some other things, for traveling. Like I can probably throw some lipsticks in here or something like that. So that is what is in the box. And then next I have this Dr. Brandt pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser. And this is what it looks like. This retails for $35. And let me tell you what it smells like. It does have a very fresh smell, which I like because I do have sensitive skin, and anything that smells like anything but neutral will usually break me out. So I'll actually give this a try. It is a yogurt cleanser, and it says it's for all skin types. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give this a try, and I'll let you know if I like it or not. The next thing in here is a night serum. This is from Honeymoon Glow, and it retails for $58. So what this is, it says on the box, it's an AHA resurfacing night serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. So let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box. I really like this little honeycomb kind of design on the box there. And this is what the serum looks like. So seems to have a lot of skincare products in this month's Luxe box. So which I don't know. I feel like I'm indifferent to that only because my skin is so picky and peculiar. So we'll see. So I have a couple of things left in here. I have a No Problem Prime Essence Primer. And this is the box that it's come in, and it retails for $23. And it just comes, I really like this packaging though. It comes in this super long tube. And does this have a smell? Oh, I just like squirted it everywhere. Okay. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. It's very like medical looking. Like if you look at this tip, it looks like, I don't know, like you're about to do some kind of procedure on yourself. But I have a little bit on my hand and rubbing it. It is very loose, but it feels, and it does have a little bit of a smell. It says it has flower extract in it, so maybe that's what the smell is coming from. Maybe if I shake it up, but it is super loose. Maybe I'll give it a try. When I had their other primer, it did break me out a little bit, and it had a little bit of the same scent, so I'm not sure. But my hand does, I don't know if you can tell, but it has a little bit of a, you can tell on my wrist a little bit, like a little bit of a shine to it. So if you like that, you know, this box may be for you. So the next thing that I have in here is a Skin & Co. Aqua Illuminating Skin Refreshing Mist, and it's in Radiant Dew. And this is the bottle that it's coming in, and this retails for $35. I don't know, it looks, I want to smell it. I just smell every skin product. Oh, it has like a minty smell. Like I feel like this would be really refreshing. That's why it's called the refreshing mist, I guess. But it says it's for all skin types. So yeah, another skin-ish product, refreshing mist. Next, what I have in here, I have a Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss, which retails for $17. And this is the packaging. It's like regular, nice, cute little packaging. And the shade that I have is Peach Tea. And I have that primer like all over the place. Okay, so this is the shade Peach Tea. But on the thing it says Lemonade. I don't know if that's like the line, the name of the line. But I'll go ahead and swatch some of this on the back of my hand. So it's not super, it is pretty opaque. Like you can tell the color, but it's like a nice little sheen. Like if you are going for a more neutral look. And it smells, let's see, it smells really good. It smells like candy, like cotton candy. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is a Pro Glow palette from Tarte. And this retails for $45. And I'll go ahead and pull this out. Oh, I really like this packaging. So the box, this is what it looks like. The box is like a very smooth, I don't even know, it's very smooth. It's very high quality feeling. I really like that. And then it opens up like so, and then it has a mirror on each side, which I really like. And inside, these are the shades that are inside. You can go ahead and swatch these for you really quick. So these are the two blushes. It looks a little powdery on me, so I don't know. This is probably for you lighter complected ladies. And then I have the two highlighters here. And then it looks like they have a couple of bronzers. You know, so I don't know, like you can't even really see that on me. So not sure if this will be great necessarily for my complexion, but it's nice packaging. The products feel Like they're pretty good quality. It's a little chalky kind of feeling to me. So I don't know. I don't know if I really like this month's box. I can honestly see myself giving away a lot of the things that came in this month's box. It is $50 for the BOXYLUXEs, so maybe for this time around, you probably want to just opt in for the regular box, honestly. Usually I really like these boxes, but this month, I don't know, I'm not as excited for these, you know, just because it doesn't seem like it's really catered to me. I guess that's what the thing is with some of these boxes, like you just kind of get what you get. But I hope this video helped you decide on if you wanted to upgrade to BOXYLUXE or subscribe to Boxycharm at all in general. And that's everything, and thanks for watching my video, and I'll catch you next time.